Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the language on your account on Canva easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to this three lines up here. Go click on your profile section and then go to the settings. Now as you see here, you will find the language section, so click on it. Here you can change it as any language or to any language you want. So for example, English, United Kingdom, Espanol, whatever you want. So that's how to change your language on your account on Canva easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.